Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Uphold security features. Let's get straight into it. First up, you want to log into your Uphold account. You can do that on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the security or settings tab. And first you can enable two-factor authentication. Just click on two-factor authentication, and you got to choose an authentication method for that. Just follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. You can also enable account freeze, so you can just click on account freeze or account lock, and then you can set up a freeze period. It could be for 24 hours, 7 days, 2 weeks, a month, whatever, and confirm that you want to enable account freeze. Next, you can also enable IP whitelisting, so you can click on IP whitelisting or IP restrictions, and then just add trusted IP addresses to the whitelist and confirm that you want to enable IP whitelisting. You can also enable withdrawal whitelisting, so just click on withdrawal whitelisting or withdrawal restrictions, and of course there you can add trusted withdrawal addresses to the whitelist. And once that's done, just confirm that you want to enable withdrawal whitelisting. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to enable Uphold security features. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.